One, two, three. Smile. Ano yun, Nam? Ano yun? Ganun lang? Ganun lang pala. Okay, go. Boring. Then you get to enter up. Then you get to enter in a raffle and get a prize. What? Where? Living room storage. Okay, go. Oh, you do it. You go check. That's called Easter Scavenger hunt. Ooh, what is that? That's nice. So cool. Nasaan na? Nasaan na? Tingin kasi sa taas. Sa taas kasi kayo titingin. Right there. Ayun. What's the next color? Blue in the dining.
I found it.
Okay, go. Go. Ayun, naggaling ah. Check nyo na.
Okay, next one is kitchen.
Rainbow?
The rainbow one.
Okay, go.
That's the rainbow one.
Where? In the kitchen. Oh, go to the kitchen.
Kitchen. Where's the kitchen?
If you follow the arrow, then you'll be able to go to the kitchen.
Where's the kitchen?
Okay. Tanungin niyo yung mga tao. Tanungin niyo. Nakita niyo ba? Sabi mo. Nakita nyo.
Come out wherever you are.
Oh no, we can't find the other egg in the kitchen.
Mommy,
What should we do? Gonna help you. Okay, here, let's go this way. Okay, someone help us look for it already. It's hiding. We've been looking for it. Now let's go.
We found the purple one.
Purple? Okay. So we already asked for help. We couldn't find. Workplace. Right there. That's the next one. Check mo nga under the table. Baka nandun sa under the table. Meron ba? Wala. Ah, wala. Under. Oh, you found it? Ate found it. Where? Where? Ah, on the side.
Oh, it's becoming harder and harder.
On the side. Nami. There's the blue one. What's next? How many more? 3 more left. Right there.
Right here.
Oh yeah, let's go. Go, that's it.
Say,
Wardrobe.
wardrobe.
Right here, here. It's inside the drawer. Maybe it's inside the drawer, Nam. Check. Go check the drawer. Go check that drawer. Is it there? No. Where is it? Ayun. Oh, Sammy found it.
Polka dots. It's with the wardrobe.
Di ba ito yung wardrobe?
No,
This is wardrobe, te.
it says wardrobe and storage.
Okay. Te, is it wide open? How about you? Whoa! O, nasan na? It's hiding right there. Oh, go check.
Where is it?
Right there, te.
Last one?
Go over there. Is this it?
Hey, Nam.
Ooh.
Nami, here's your Nami.
Ito pala. Ano? Cute, oh.
Give me my...
Ito, oh. Cute to, oh. Ayan, Teo. Ay, naglag sa kamangking nga. Papunta ka doon sa ano, sa lion. Nam, tara dito. Stick your head there. Stick your head there. Stick your head here. Tapos ikaw doon sa isa. No! Ate is right there.
It's like a picture ng baby.
O, ayan. Stick your head out.
Can
Ayan.
See what it looks like.
Oh, si Nami.
Stick your head out. Mom,
Layo. Say, roar. Si Sam. Ayusin natin.
Ayan.
Ayan na yan. Ayan, put your head in.
Put your head here.
Ay. Yay!
Now you can go to the ano.
Sige, go.
Ow, here.
Jump. Jump.
Oh, wow.
Jump cross. Jump. Jump.
Wow.
Are you right-handed? Kasi nakatama kayo. Say
Right-handed, yeah.
Bring this to the front.
You have to listen to her, ah.
Punch this. Again. That's called a jab. When I say jab, you punch with this hand. Jab. Jab.
Wow.
Jab, jab, jab. Okay. Now you're gonna do this hand.
The other hand. Other hand.
Yeah, that's called a cross. When I say cross, you use this hand. Okay? Jab, cross, cross.
Cross. Oh.
Cross. Cross, cross. Cross, cross, cross. Cross. Now jab, cross.
Cross.
Jab,
Yeah.
cross.
Jab, cross.
Cross, jab.
Cross.
Cross, jab.
The other one. Cross. Other one first.
It needs to get entered. Bring it to me right now. We're gonna do this draw right away.